Inside the radio Radtel RT860G we can find the GPS chip with the antenna, which is GPS plus BD, with coax cable. Let's see under the seal the model of the chip: ATGM 336H 5N31 C92310, and antenna this one with coax. This coax in the end with connector, which connected to the circuit board, and in my case, I don't know why GPS doesn't work. Let's check the connector and antenna. Maybe the problem in this case, maybe right here. Let's check and connect back. I put the antenna outside the radio and connect to the connector, to the port, I mean. Right now I run the software, but nothing. Finally I got the coordinates. You can see where I am right now. The time 9:54, 28th March 2025 year.